Click on the link below to get price. The Bernette B68 Airlock Serger sewing machine is a thoughtfully designed tool for those who engage in sewing projects, ranging from simple alterations to more complex garment construction. Known for its reliability and ease of use, this serger aims to streamline the sewing process, making it a potentially valuable addition to both novice and experienced sewists' arsenals. At first glance, the Bernette B68 impresses with its sleek design and compact size, which is ideal for those who may have limited workspace. This model is equipped with an adjustable stitch length, allowing users to customize their stitches according to the specific requirements of their projects. With a maximum sewing speed of 1,300 stitches per minute, this machine is designed for efficiency, making it suitable for handling heavier fabrics as well as delicate materials. One of the standout features of the B68 is its air threading system, which simplifies the commonly challenging task of threading the loopers. This feature can save considerable time and reduce frustration, making it particularly beneficial for those who may not have extensive sewing experience. Moreover, the integrated LED lighting ensures that the workspace remains well lit, which can enhance visibility while sewing. In terms of functionality, the B68 offers multiple stitch options, including overlock, coverstitch, and rolled hem stitches. This versatility empowers users to explore various techniques, whether they are finishing seams or creating professional-looking hems. The user-friendly interface, complete with a clearly marked stitch guide, makes it easier for sewists to navigate through different settings and find the ideal stitch for their projects. When in use, the B68 operates smoothly, producing clean and consistent stitching. It handles a variety of fabrics well, from lightweight knits to heavier denim, allowing for a wide range of sewing applications. The adjustable differential feed further enhances its performance, ensuring that even stretchy or slippery fabrics are handled without puckering. In conclusion, the Bernette B68 Airlock Serger sewing machine presents a blend of functionality and ease of use that can cater to a diverse user base. Its thoughtful features, such as the air threading system and adjustable stitch length, provide a solid foundation for a variety of sewing projects. Whether you are looking to expand your sewing skills or simply seeking a reliable tool for your crafting endeavors, the B68 stands out as a capable option worth considering.